In this video, we will see together some verbs that will be constructed with the preposition de and be followed by an infinitive verb. Verbe numéro 1. Prier de. Elle me prie de venir la voir. Elle me prie de venir la voir. So in that situation, the verb is a regular one. As you can see, you conjugate that in the present form. Elle prie. So of course, we have a pronoun here, pronom complément d'objet direct, and it must be before the verb. That's the way it goes in French. Elle me prie. Then after that, we put the preposition de and then the infinitive form venir. Elle me prie de venir la voir. Verbe numéro 2. Promettre de. Je promets de le faire. Je promets de le faire. So here the verb is promettre. It's conjugated in the present form. Je promets. Then we put the preposition de. The infinitive form is faire, but as usual, remember that you have here a pronoun complément d'objet direct, and it must be before your verb. So before the verb it is connected to. So it's connected to faire, so it must be before faire. Je promets de le faire. Verbe numéro 3. Proposer de. Je propose de te répondre demain. Je propose de te répondre demain. So the first verb is proposer, conjugated in the present form. Je propose. Then your preposition de, right here, de. And the verb is répondre, so infinitive form here. As we had previously, the pronoun that is connected to répondre must be before répondre. De te répondre. Je propose de te répondre demain. Verbe numéro 4. Recommander de. Je te recommande de m'écouter. Je te recommande de m'écouter. So the verb is recommander in the present form. Je recommande. Well, we have the pronoun before. Je te recommande as usual. Then the preposition de. Your infinitive is écouter. And same thing here. The pronoun should be before your verb. De m'écouter. Je te recommande de m'écouter. Verbe numéro 5. Refuser de. Je refuse de suivre ses conseils. Je refuse de suivre ses conseils. The verb refuser belongs to the first group and it's not really difficult to conjugate. It's here in the present form. Je refuse. Then you have your preposition de and the infinitive form of the verb is suivre. Je refuse de suivre ses conseils. Verbe numéro 6. Regretter de. Je regrette de ne pouvoir vous répondre. Je regrette de ne pouvoir vous répondre. So the verb is regretter, as you can see, and it's right here. It's in the present form. Je regrette. Then you have your preposition here. Then you have your verb pouvoir. But as you can see, when we want to put the negative form of an infinitive, it must come before. So it's ne pouvoir. Je regrette de ne pouvoir vous répondre. Verbe numéro 7. Remercier de. Je le remercie de m'aider. Je le remercie de m'aider. So in that situation, the verb is remercier from the first group in the present. Je remercie. Once again, we have the pronoun that must be before the verb. Je le remercie. Then we put the preposition de. After that, we have, of course, the infinitive of the verb aider, but for the same reason as we had previously, the pronoun must be before the verb. So, de me aider, but of course you will drop the e because you have a vowel after. De m'aider. Je le remercie de m'aider. Verbe numéro 8. Reprocher de. Il me reproche de ne pas pouvoir l'aider. Il me reproche de ne pas pouvoir l'aider. So in that situation, il reproche, so it's the present tense, we put the pronoun before the verb, il me reproche, then we go for the preposition de, and after that the infinitive is pouvoir, but once again, negative form should come before it, ne pas. De ne pas pouvoir. Il me reproche de ne pas pouvoir l'aider. Verbe numéro 9. Rêver de. Je rêve de partir en vacances. Je rêve de partir en vacances. The verb is rêver, it's in the present tense. Je rêve, then the preposition is here, de. After that, your infinitive is partir, and that's it. Je rêve de partir en vacances. Verbe numéro 10. Risquer de. Je risque de m'endormir assez rapidement. Je risque de m'endormir assez rapidement. The verb is risquer, regular verb from the first group, it's the present, je risque. Then you have de, here the preposition. The verb is s'endormir, but of course you need to put this se according to the first person. Here it's je, so it should be me. Je risque de m'endormir assez rapidement. Remember that if it would be tu risques de t'endormir. Hein? So you really need to adapt this part here according to the subject. Je risque de m'endormir assez rapidement.